Today we are going to read a story. Enjoy it. Neha's Alarm Clock. Once upon a time, there was a girl. Her name was Neha. Ring, ring, ring. Of course, the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with the pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pull me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometime. Something falls. Neha smiles. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Next morning, there is no alarm. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small cheepy bird which come to the window still every morning find Neha still asleep. Bird said, wake up dear, wake up fast. Neha gets up with a start. Oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Even this wish of Neha came true. Let's see. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there is no more birds either. But there are someone else who doesn't want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who is it? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Oh my eyes! Now it is the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Even this wish of Neha came true. What will happen? Let's see. The next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. So, Neha snores still. She hears her mother's voice. Wake up, sleepyhead. Wake up fast, or you will miss the bus. Oh no! Why does mother have to wake me up? Huh, there is no escape now. So Neha gets up with a start. Can you imagine what happened the next day? Let's see. Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Ma, who woke me up today? Mother said, who else? You, of course. Neha. But I was sleeping. How could I? Mother. Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Neha. I feel hungry. Mother. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha. Because I feel sleepy. Mother said. There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Neha. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother said. Relax. Today is Sunday. Okay then. Our story is finished. Are you ready for some questions? Will you answer it? I think yes. Okay, our first question is what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? The Neha's clock ring every morning is 4 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock. What do you think? Yeah, it's 6 o'clock. Now, our second question is what did the bird say? What did the bird say? Sleep on or wake up or go and play? What do you think? Do you think the birds say go and play or sleep on or wake up? Yeah, the birds say wake up. Our next question is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? What will it? Do you think our body clock, our feet, or our eyes? Yeah, the answer is our body clock. Okay, now tell me, what kind of sounds around you when you are on your way to school? You can comment it. Now, I have a doubt. If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep or what will you do? Comment it. About me, my mom will wake me up. Now answer me. Who said these words and to whom? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Who said these words? Yeah, birds said these words. And to whom? Yeah, to Neha. Next question. Ma, who woke me up today? Who said these words? Yeah, Neha said these words. And to whom? Yeah, to mother. Okay, next question. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Who said these words? Yeah, Neha's mother said these words. And to whom? To Neha. Okay. Okay then. Do you understand this lesson? I think yes. Okay then. Bye.